Hello, my name is Colin Stevens and I'm the curator of 12th Service Battalion Museum, which is located here at the Armories on Number 4 Road and Alderbridge in Richmond. We're participating in the Doors Open Richmond, and the museum and the armory and the grounds will be open to the public. This armory is home to a number of units. We have a mix of regular force, the Technical Services Company. We have 12 Company of 39 Service Battalion, which is the reserve unit here. We have 3 cadet units here, 1 Air Cadets and 2 Army Cadet units. And then we also have a military police detachment here. So this grouping supports units all across British Columbia. So when you come, you'll be able to see the museum exhibits, which are scattered throughout the armory. They're not in a separate room. So we have display cases in the corridors, and they'll be accessible to the public. You'll also get to see behind the scenes a bit of the Army functions. They'll have some displays, and you'll be able to wander around the grounds, see the large Army trucks. We have the memorial trucks out front. You may have missed those for the last few years. They've all been repainted, and they'll be on display again for Doors Open. I would like to mention that the unit is comprised of people from all across the Lower Mainland. We have the cadets, which is ages 12 to 18 usually, and we have the reserves. And if you're interested in cadets or in military service, part-time or even full-time, you're welcome to contact the people at the Armory. We have a recruiting office inside. Just come to the front door and press the buzzer.